If you're watching this video, then there is a 90% chance that you're not able to understand what exactly is the difference between Agentforce and Einstein Bots. They both use AI, they both handle conversations, but they're actually built for very different jobs. Keep watching this video as I'm going to decode Agentforce versus Einstein Bots. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Today I'm going to break down the difference between Agentforce and Einstein Bots. What are they, how are they different, and when should you use either one of them? I've got everything covered, so let's dive in. First up, we have Agentforce. This is a force of AI agents designed to work alongside your internal teams, like support agents, sales reps, or service managers. It's not just a chatbot platform, but actually a data-aware AI assistant that lives right inside Salesforce and understands your records, cases, leads, and activities. I've covered everything about Agentforce in our previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out in the tab here. Now let's get to the Einstein Bots. These are customer-facing bots that live in your Service Cloud, mostly on your website or customer portals. They guide users through a finely scripted flow, answer their frequently asked questions, check the status of things, and solve issues for your customers before they reach a human. So unlike Agentforce, which helps your team behind the scenes, Einstein Bots are built to help your customers directly. You will get a better understanding of their unique features if we compare them side by side. So shall we? Starting from the basics, let's look at the setup. Setting up Agentforce is pretty easy. Just have to customize it using pre-built topics and actions. It uses large language models, so it does not take much time to get started. Einstein Bots, on the other hand, need you to train them manually using NLMs, which is natural language models, so that they can understand customer language and build dialogues. Only then they can be actively used. You must be wondering how to recognize them in Salesforce. Well, Agentforce appears as an intelligent panel within your Salesforce UI. So if you're working a lead or handling a case, Agentforce is right there, offering smart suggestions and automations. While Einstein Bots are the friendly little chat bubbles you see when you visit a support site, they're often your customer's first interaction with your organization's service team. Now if we talk about their functionalities, Agentforce is a productivity AI assistant that is deeply integrated into all Salesforce Cloud. It can be customized for each representative in your team and provide agentic assistance to them. It improves the efficiency of your teams by taking over the everyday repetitive tasks. For example, it can summarize customer conversations, draft contextual replies, suggest next steps on deals, auto-complete tasks, and field updates. Einstein Bot is based on the flow designed by an administrator of your organization. It is a rule-based chatbot, which means it can only provide limited, predefined responses. And it is currently only available in Service Cloud as the customer-facing chatbot. It is particularly useful in your support operations because it can deflect simple queries, so your human agents can focus on complex cases. Besides this, the bot can also create cases from conversations or transfer chats to human agents when it reaches the maximum capability of responses. That might not sound very impressive at first as compared to Agentforce, but trust me, these bots are very reliable and helpful. Now, one of the biggest differences is how they respond. Agentforce gives rich, tailored, human-like responses because it understands your data in real time. It knows what happened before and what to suggest next. Einstein Bots respond in a pre-programmed way. They are great at guiding users through known flows, but they don't understand deep context. Let me give you an example. Let's say your customer Priya visits your website to check an invoice. The Einstein Bot greets her with, "Hi Priya, want to check your last invoice?" She taps yes, the bot fetches the info, and she's done in seconds. No ticket needed. How would this happen in Agentforce? Well, let's say your representative Sam is prepping to follow up on a deal. He opens the record and Agentforce suggests, "This opportunity has been idle for 8 days. Here's a suggested follow-up email based on the last meeting notes." Agentforce reminds Sam and even gives him a template for follow-up email without giving any commands. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you get the difference between the two now. Here is a recap of all the differences summed up in this table. So take a screenshot real quick for your reference. If you have any questions or you want to learn how to use Agentforce, then check out our new Agentforce training course at S2 Labs. You can find the link in the description below to learn this AI tech in just 15 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.